0, 1.
Alright, well, fun fact. If you have a Samsung front-loading washer and you get the code on here that says SUD or SC, I believe it is. I forget, honestly. Anyhow, quick tip. Pop this off. And there's a hose right here. Drain all the water out. And if you take this thing out, that they say you're supposed to clean every 6 months, and if you're lazy like me, you don't, that's why. So clean this thing out, clean out inside of there, boom, you'll totally be golden. A little fun fact for the day. Who thought? There's a reason why that's sitting there. There's a lot of water that comes draining out of that. So don't think you're gonna just take a cup out of the drawer. That's a lot of water. Oh, by the way.